I'm going to be asking this barber 10 barber business questions. And if he gets at least 7 out of 10 of them right, he gets a brand new pair of Babyliss clippers for free. Woo! But for every question that he gets wrong, I'm going to douse his head with freezing cold water. So don't get him wrong. So Matthew is actually one of our barbers inside of the Six-Figure Barber Mentorship Program. So Matthew, how much did you pay for the program?
$3,000.
I say that to say he should be pretty well trained and not get any of these wrong.
I can't let Chris Bossio down.
Don't let Chris Bossio down.
I can't let Chris Bossio down.
All right, first question. Matthew, what does ACV mean?
ACV means annual customer value.
Okay, all right, yeah, that's right.
You
that's
gave me
right.
an easy one first.
All right. ACV stands for annual customer value. It's how much money your clients actually give you over the course of the year. So what you do is you take their average ticket multiplied by how many times they come into the barbershop, and that tells you how much money your clients are actually worth. All right, Matthew, next question.
Let's go. Let's do it.
How much money do you have to make every single month at minimum to be a six-figure barber?
I think
5.
What was it, like 8,333?
2,
I was like 8,333, right?
Yeah.
All
Yeah.
right.
No, that's right.
Okay.
So $8,333 a month makes you a six-figure barber, and that's important so that you know how much money you got to make every week and how much money you got to make every single day. You want to be able to plan this stuff out so you actually know how much money you got to make to be a six-figure barber. All right, Matthew, what's the best investment that a barber can make?
In himself.
Okay, wow, that was pretty quick.
In himself.
You got that pretty quick. That's right.
Easy.
Way better than any stock or any other side hustle that you can think of. The best investment that you can make is actually in yourself, because if you're a beginner barber, you don't really make a lot of money. So you want to invest into yourself so you can make more money to actually be able to go and tackle any investments that you want to do long term. Bro, you're doing pretty good with these questions.
Chris Bossio taught me, bro.
All right,
Do you know Chris Bossio?
I'm going to give you a harder one. You ready? All right, let's see.
Let's go, bro.
There's 2 barbers. One of them gets taxed as a LLC, and the other one gets taxed as an S Corp. Which barber pays more in taxes?
The LLC.
Wow, bro, you're getting these right, dude. Now I'm gonna give you some hard ones, bro. I want to pour some water on your head. All right.
I really don't want that to happen.
This water's cold.
It's freezing.
All right. So he's exactly right. If you're taxed as an S Corp, you're able to take some of your income as a W-2 salary to avoid some self-employment tax. And that's why if you made the same money, the barber that would be getting taxed as S Corp would actually pay less in taxes, making the same money. And that's why it's important to have a trained tax professional on your team as a barber. This is a controversial one. This is a tough one. What's the most important factor when it comes to raising your prices as a barber?
The most important factor when
5,
it comes
4.
Is it the man? Is it the man?
Yeah, it's the man. He's 100% right. When it comes to raising your prices, you want to make sure that you are in demand. That's going to help you convert as many clients to more of a premium price versus raising your prices off of feelings or off of you just leaving a barber expo. You want to make sure that you are busy. If you are too busy, you are too cheap. Eventually, your demand should tell you that people value your haircuts and would be willing to pay more. I'm going to ask you a really, really tough one. And this one's going to have a 10-second timer. Give me 3 ways to build your clientele without spending money.
Increasing the frequency.
Nope.
No, that's not one.
Nope, that's not building your clientele. 4.
Free haircuts.
Okay.
Free haircuts. Ads.
Ads, you're spending money.
Oh man. The 10-second. You got me at the 10-second timer.
Bro, you should know this stuff. You can't post content for free? So here's 3 ways that you can actually build clientele without spending money. Word of mouth referrals. Ask people to refer people to you. One of them, offer free haircuts, the first haircut free, to actually go ahead and build your clientele. Post content. Join local Facebook groups and market your business. Get Google reviews and rank high on Google. There's so many ways to build your clientele without spending money, and Matthew didn't know of them. Get it together, Matthew.
It's the 10-second timer.
Bro, you're supposed to know this stuff like it's your name. Did you forget your name too? Chris Bossio is going to be upset at you. Chris Bossio really needed you to get that one.
I know.
All right, Matthew. That was your first one you got wrong, bro. You're
What's
6
my-
for 1. You're doing
Okay.
really good. But this is where the questions get tough. How can you reduce no-shows without requiring to put a credit card on file?
Send them a message, having reminders.
Yeah, okay, there you go.
Reminders, right?
Yeah, that's
Having
right. I thought you were
reminders.
gonna get that one wrong. No, that's right. That's right.
Alright.
Sending out automated text message reminders to your clients, just reminding them of your appointment. You can do this in certain softwares, you can do this in your booking app, but you want to send them some type of text just reminding them of their appointment. This helps to reduce no-shows without requiring you to put a credit card on file. Oh, okay. What is more important when it comes to growing your barber business? Client retention or client acquisition?
Client retention.
Wow, that was quick.
Come on,
That was
Come
quick.
on, bro.
Client retention is more important than getting new clients, and this is why. The reason why is because if you can't retain any of the clients that you're getting, your business is not gonna grow. It's not gonna grow. You're constantly gonna have to go out and get more and more and more new clients, and you're never gonna be able to actually build demand and raise your prices the right way. Versus if you focus on customer retention, what happens is your clients end up bringing you more clients off of great service and word of mouth referrals. Now, you wanna do both, but you never, ever, ever wanna sleep on customer retention when it comes to building your barber business. This is number 9. Matthew, what is the most powerful marketing strategy to this day to get clients?
Word of mouth.
Oh, that was
Word of
quick.
mouth.
I didn't know you were going to get that one.
But
No, I was fired. No,
Come
he's
on,
right.
bro.
This is what barbers don't understand about word of mouth. If every single one of your clients brought you another client, your business would literally double off of you doing nothing else but cutting hair, just giving out great haircuts and great customer service. No editing content, no running ads, no passing out business cards. To this day, word of mouth is still the strongest way to build your business. You get 2 chances to get this one right. In the mentorship, we teach you barbershop deal breakers. You have 10 seconds. You can get this wrong twice. Give me one barbershop deal breaker. A reason that would be so strong that you wouldn't want to work in that barbershop. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6.
Wait, culture?
5. Nope. 4.
Walking
3.
only?
Yeah.
Yeah? Okay.
Oh, I was about to put some water in
what's
that.
up with that,
I was about to
bro?
put some water in that,
Hey.
bro. Woo! I was
Man,
close.
You failed, bro.
I should have counted faster, honestly.
Nah.
I gave you way too much time. Matthew, if you get this question wrong, it's a wrap. Which one grows your barber business faster? Discounted haircuts or free haircuts?
Free haircuts.
Oh.
Free haircuts, bro. Free haircuts.
The reason why barbers shouldn't do discounts is because discounts breed discount culture. Clients that are always going to want a discount, and it's going to be hard to ever raise prices when you have a clientele that is in love with discounts that only comes to you for your discounted prices. Versus if you do the first haircut free, nobody's going to expect a free haircut every single time. You give them the first haircut free, and you earn their business for the whole year. And that's why free haircuts are way better than doing discounts. Matthew, if you answer this correctly, this barbershop is yours.
All right, man, let's go.
All right, Matthew, this is the last question. What IRS form do barbers use to report their income at the end of the year? 5, 4, 3,
1099?
2. Damn, how'd you get that right?
Yes! Headlines Barbershop, Louis is mine!
No! All right, Matthew, I'm not giving you my barbershop, but I will give you this pair of new Babyliss clippers.
Let's go, baby.
Matthew's actually one of our students inside of the 6-Figure Barber Mentorship Program. Now, Matthew paid $3,000 to be inside of that course, but now that course is actually a subscription model where it's only $99 a month, and we only talk about growing your barber business, making more money, getting busy behind the chair, managing your money, investments. That is all we talk about, and you're around a community of ambitious barbers that want to change their family tree. So if that sounds interesting to you at all, check the link in the description below, and we can't wait to see you there. Peace.
See ya.